In this video, I will show you how you can create shake to reveal Instagram story. It means that whenever anyone wants to see your story, they must shake their phone or they must tap on the screen to reveal the story. So how you will upload or how you will put shake to reveal a story on your Instagram. So for that, just open your Instagram account, go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, then on top side, click on plus option, click on this camera option, then click on create. Once you click on create, now on top you can see the icon, sticker icon. Click on the sticker icon and at first position frame. Just click on frame. You can select any video or picture. Let's so I will select this picture. Now you can give some caption here. Now give some caption. Click on done. Now upload this story. Now my story has been uploaded. Now whenever I open this story, I must shake my phone or tap on the photo to see the story. This picture is not showing. I must shake my phone or click on picture to reveal story. Now I will click on picture and you can see my story has been revealed. So in this way you can create shake to reveal or tap on Instagram story.